Good afternoon, welcome on in to another episode of From Day One. Today let's head to the courtroom where a more sovereign citizen just really fails in court.
Alright, Lamont Harrison Lemon, second.
Most of the devices in here for that, because I believe there were two devices.
That's the gentleman with the Fez hat on. You're on.
I like to judge as the guy with the fez.
Can you unmute yourself, please, sir? Is he connected to audio?
It appears to me.
Yeah, but that might not be connected to reality, sir.
Lemon Bay. Harrison Lemon Bay. Can you hear me, sir?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Good morning to you.
How are you?
Okay. Are you the second or the third?
I'm here on behalf of the third.
The third. Okay. And I guess it's the second that's right. This is the city of Detroit versus Harrison Lemon Bay third. Straight that. This is the state of Michigan versus Harrison Lemon Bay the third. Case number SX41.
It'll take the judge a moment here.
419-5968. Counts 1 and counts 3.
Go ahead and bring up turn 2 as well, Your Honor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Your Honor,
I think he's representing himself.
Your Honor,
Yeah. All right. And add count 3 to that. Add count 3 to that record as well.
You mean 2?
Or count 2 to that. Or 1 to that record as well.
Oh, you're right the second time, Your Honor.
Let me have that other. I believe, state your name for the record, Mr. Lemon the third.
yes, I am Harrison Lamont Bay, all lowercase letters. And I'm here on behalf of Harrison Lamont third.
Well, I've never heard of the all lowercase letters. What
Yes,
does
you
that
would, Your
mean?
Honor. But you have
Yes,
fun with them.
the name is to be spelled with all lowercase letters, not all capital letters, not part capital and lowercase, strictly all lowercase.
So today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. How do you want to proceed, sir? I know you filed some documents with the court, and I did have those up in my chambers. But how do you want to proceed?
He wants to be stupid,
Your Honor, I'm the surety on behalf of the principal debtor, strawman Harrison Lamont III. I've given the court notice weeks in advance. I'm here to tender a special deposit to the court and make the court fiduciary, prosecutor, as well. And I'm looking for a plea of release today.
Not gonna
Grant a
happen.
plea to release.
No.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I can grant you a pre-trial. I can grant you the opportunity to speak with the city attorney, or I can grant you a trial date by judge or by jury.
Oh, so by hook, by crook, whichever you prefer.
So,
What would you like to do, Mr. Lemon Bay?
well, you mind if I ask a couple of questions?
No,
Just want to make sure that I'm comprehending it.
You may.
you may be stupid.
Alright. So, as you gave the name, I heard you mention a few different names. I heard you mention Harrison Lamont Bay the third, and then a Harrison Lamont the second, and various different names. I just want to make sure that I'm clear on who or what it is that we're here to discuss, because I don't want to speak on behalf of.
It does have an error. It does have an error. There appears to be an error on the computer here. So entry, one of the counts was entered into as one count was entered entered into as Harris Lemon III, the other account was Harris Lemon II, and the other account was entered Harris III Lemon. So I think that's just a typo. There's the nature of the offenses. There's the misdemeanor case is driving around a valid operator's license, no ops on person, and that is a 93-day punishable by the maximum possible penalty, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. And you have two civil infractions, one expired plates, and the other one speeding at 16 to 20 miles an hour over the speed limit. So those are the nature of the charges. I'm going to offer you an opportunity to mitigate this by taking the better driver's course, sir. I'm going to put that in the chat if you choose to. And I can give you time to do that. If not, you can set it for a trial date or whatever set it for a trial date or speak with the city attorney today. What would you like to do?
You'd like to be stupid, Your Honor.
I'm really, again, ultimately I'm here to tender special deposit and settle the charges. You know, make the correct fiduciary.
You settle it by pleading to in taking a plea today, paying the fines, or taking it to trial, see if you can do better at trial. You have a right to a trial by judge or jury, and that's it. Those are your only options, sir.
I'm looking for a clear release. Are you stating that there's no offer of equity in this matter, Your Honor?
Equity is you plead guilty, you pay your fines.
All right, we're going to move on. So I don't have time for this.
Thank
Would
you,
you
Your
like
Honor.
to speak to an attorney? Would you like to speak to an attorney, sir?
She's trying to save him.
I don't. I'm not counsel.
Okay. Well, we're gonna pass the matter and we're gonna move on, and he can just watch and see how it works in here, because I have too many people that are waiting that want to be heard and hear their claim, and I don't understand what you're saying. I've given you your options, and you can sit back and ponder those. I'll give you time to ponder those options. Other than that, sir, I don't know what else to tell you. All right, let's move on. Next time. No, I've already answered the questions I'm going to answer. No. Please mute your device, and you either take the offers that I've given you, speak with the attorney, or take the deal, or set the matter for a trial date. Those are your options.
Let me set the matter for trial.
Set the matter for trial. Okay. I'm going to give you a trial. I'm going to give you, do you want trial by judge or jury, sir?
Your Honor, by jury.
Okay, jury trial. Can I get a jury trial date, please? Soonest one you have. All right, June the 2nd. Let's do June the 2nd. June the 2nd. We should do this in the afternoon as well. Yeah, we'll set a pre-trial. So your next court date is going to be a final pre-trial, sir. Final pre-trial will be June the 1st, 6/1/2023 at 8:30. And then we'll set the jury trial date for the next day. We'll set it at 2:30.
Yeah, because it won't take that long.
All right, we'll have you at 9:30 on June the 2nd. So your next action date that you need to appear is June the 1st at 8:30, and then the next day we'll have the jury trial at June the 2nd, 2023. I have received your motions. If you have any more motions, make sure they're in before the June
AKA the stupidities.
first date, and then we'll proceed with picking a jury, setting a jury panel at 9:30 on June the 2nd. If you don't have any further questions, Mr. Lemon Bay, then have a very good day, sir. All right? Good luck to you.
Best of luck.
Thank you. All right.
A copy of Ecclesiastical Deed Poll along with my UCC1 in Darrendale, Michigan.
All right, Mr. Harvey, I understand whatever motions you're going to file, you can have your attorney file or you. But Mr. Tresco's just got one simple question for you, though. He's representing you right now, and he just wants to make sure.
I belong to the Michigan Republic, and I will not be represented before any of your state status court, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, we got another
Okay.
one.
Well, I'm gonna have an attorney appointed for you, whether you use them or don't use them. We'll address that at
You can assist me.
so,
You cannot
Mr.
represent me before any of your court,
Okay.
sir.
Mr.
Okay, shut
Tresco,
up, sir.
As to the plan, we have a commercial plan on both sides of the bridges, sir. Excuse me.
Okay, Mr. Harvey, you're making it very difficult for yourself.
I all your charges, and I desist and denounce you as criminals.
Okay, that's
Look at okay.
You got a file number. Just put your file number whenever you send to me, sir. And I'm requesting a register of actions. It could be sent to me immediately.
Well, okay. Register actions makes no sense, but we'll let you talk to your attorney. If you got things you need, if you got things you need, you're gonna have to file a motion for me. I'm not gonna do it outside.
I need access to the proper utilities to do that, and I can do that. I certainly will. Matter of fact,
Mr. Tresco,
you can take.
all right, I gotta mute him again. He's just
Please,
going
Your
on
Honor.
and on.
Your Honor, I'm
We
going
can't
to
talk
discuss
over
this with Mr. Perry and evaluate whether
Sure.
this needs to be a forensic referral.
Yeah, thank you. I was gonna say there might. I won't entertain any motions filed. So, okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we'll just leave it at that today. Let Mr. Harvey do whatever he wants in his head.
That's fine.
Set up
Thank
for
you.
exam April 12th, 10:30. All right.
Sounds good.
Thanks.
Your Honor.
Judge, enjoy your day.
All right. All right. You too. Bye. Set it for overhead, please. Jail.
Let me know when you're ready.
And with those, we definitely thank you for hopping on in on the court. Let me see if I have any more. Yes, 1 moment. No, I don't need that. Okay. Want something that's quick. We really don't need a long one. I need to find a marksman that I can boost. Ooh. Oh, that one looks good, but it's got some. Yeah, we'll stick with it if we need to. We'll pick part of it up in the back half. Sovereign Citizen claims he's been a Navy SEAL since he's
Mr.
6.
Welker.
Thomas Craig Welker.
That's correct.
Mr. Welker, you have a number of indictments. One of them is violation of an order of protection or restraining order. Another case, 2023 CR 55, you have a charge of failure to appear. And CR 56, you have a charge of criminal trespass. You're here to be arraigned on all of those charges. You have the right to an attorney. Do you want a lawyer to represent you?
Sir, that's all perjury.
somebody in my family that leaked my Marine SEAL app. I've got this satellite interface, and I'm under military bylaws, under maritime law, and this facility will not let me contact anybody. My attorney to contact is TVA Senior Attorney Tom Robbins, and all the federal officers, and everybody knows this to be true. They down at Tennessee Valley Authority, the Port Campbell Eagle Club has had me kept down there to hold SEAL Team 6 account open in Cumberland City through the CFC. I've just spent a half a year over here without anybody allowing me to call out in the past 2.5 years. I'm the one that's all over this website, Swamp Dog, when I put it out there. I'm the one that's helping Donald Trump get elected, and he's done did 45 days in jail, or 45 minutes like they had me here a couple weeks ago, messing with me. They prevented me to have representation and everything to prove my sister has committed perjury, and everything has been stacked upon me. Basically, they use this technology to watch me die in my house, and I found a file on my cell phone. I'm the original FISA abuse scandal, where they lied about my family medical leave act form and turned it into having me watched. And the harm and threats to myself and safety of others, and that's false information. Every attorney in there that has tried to talk for me has left me hanging and never came back. Every one of them. And it's all false. Was there any reason you could not assist this individual?
Your Honor, I've been attempting to assist him a few times. He has not been able to participate in the so
I've been sealed out since I've been 10 years old. I'm part of Jesse James' identity account. That's my family. Out of the Dover Bottoms from the Ryman Auditorium. Old Navy, American Eagle, Gap Clothes, Apple Computers.
For the Ryman.
I've been franchised out since I've been 10. And my family tried to get me 22 PTSD'd out. And they've been messing with me. They've been committing perjury and false charges to steal my inheritance, my part of it, because they leaked my seal out. Let me ask you this question. I'm trying to find out, I'm trying to arraign you on these charges, which means I have to advise you of these charges. So I want you to listen to me as I tell you what these charges are, okay? Just sit tight. I'm going to tell you what the charges are against you, and then we'll talk about what we're going to do. In docket number 2023 CR 56, you have a case of charge of criminal trespass. It states in the Circuit Court for Stewart County, Tennessee at Dover, May term of the grand jury 2023. Grand jurors of Stewart County, Tennessee, duly impaneled and sworn upon their oaths to present that on or about February the 22nd, 2023 in Stewart County, Tennessee, prior to the filing of this indictment, Thomas Craig Welker, then and there unlawfully and knowingly entered on or remained on property of Brandy Page, knowing that at the time he did not have the effective consent of the said Brandy Page to do so, in violation of Tennessee Code annotated 3914-405, a Class C misdemeanor, and against the peace and dignity of the state of Tennessee. In docket number 2023 CR 55, we have a charge, an indictment charging you in 2 counts with failure to appear. And states in the Circuit Court for Stewart County, Tennessee at Dover, May term, grand jury 2023. Grand jurors of Stewart County, Tennessee, duly impaneled and sworn upon their oaths do present that on or about February the 7th, 2023 in Stewart County, Tennessee, prior to the filing of this indictment, Thomas Craig Welker, then and there unlawfully and knowingly failed to appear in the General Sessions Court for Stewart County, Dover, Tennessee, as directed by the Stewart County General Sessions Court, for the purpose of attending an official proceeding to wit a hearing on the offense of violation of an order of protection, a violation of TCA 3916-609, a Class A misdemeanor, and against the peace and dignity of the state of Tennessee. Count 2, and the grand jurors aforesaid upon the oaths aforesaid do further present and say that on or about April 4th, 2023, prior to the filing of this indictment, in the county and state aforesaid, Thomas Craig Welker, then and there, unlawfully and knowingly failed to appear in General Sessions Court for Stewart County, as directed by the Stewart County General Sessions Court for the purpose of attending an official proceeding to wit a hearing on the offense of failure to appear, violation of order of protection, criminal trespass in violation of TCA 3916-609, a Class A misdemeanor, all of which is against the peace and dignity of the state of Tennessee. In docket number 2023 CR 54, you're charged with the offense of violation of order of protection. It alleges that in the Circuit Court for Stewart County, Tennessee, at Dover, May term grand jury 2023. The grand jurors of Stewart County, Tennessee, duly impaneled and sworn upon their oaths to present that on or about November the 4th, 2022, in Stewart County, Tennessee, prior to the filing of this indictment, Thomas Craig Welker then and there did unlawfully, intentionally, and knowingly commit the offense of violation of order of protection issued pursuant to TCA 3636, or a restraining order issued to a party who is a victim, to wit, Thomas Welker and Vita Welker, in violation of TCA 3913-113, a Class A misdemeanor, all of which is against the peace and dignity of the state of Tennessee. Now, all of that, I am going to enter a plea of not guilty on you and show that you've been arraigned now. So the question becomes, I want to try to provide you with an attorney since you are in custody. Do you wish to have a lawyer represent you?
TVA Senior Attorney Thomas Robbins.
Well, TVA Senior Attorney is not likely to take a criminal appointment from this court. You can contact him and try it yourself and try to see if
I can't contact you here. They stacked this upon me because I'm not allowed in the courtroom because no cameras are allowed. I have no privacy. I'm dealt divorced out since I've been 10. My sister and him took advantage of it. She committed perjury. I done been to the grand jury that helped me with this back in like 2015 and 16. And they know what's going on and nobody would help. She's committed perjury. She's the one that got this started. It's all false. I've been denied anybody to help me. Everybody says I know what you're talking about, but I can't help you. The 160 Night Stalkers know it. The group NSA with the Pentagon clearance said it's your family. They ain't said any names.
Yeah.
If you're being arraignment, really? And I get an attorney, you get to go home and prepare, that's fine. It's false information they're giving you because they leaked me out, and the whole town, my whole class since 1978 knows I've been signed up for the Secret Service under Sons of American Revolution, 1976, based on 200 years, and they took advantage of it for the past 30 years. My whole class knows it. I've been written off. The only thing I've been told is when you've been written off, you can't be charged no crimes because you can't get legal representation under military bylaws, and they took advantage of it. They stole my trust fund that I was having NRA to set up when I was supporting Donald Trump, and my sister has hijacked everything. And my cousins, they're in on it. And they have forced their parents, except for one, Mike Frieda Ford, and my aunt, she worked for all the judges in that courthouse. I grew up in that courthouse. My mother was a tax assessor. Bill Clinton's daddy they got a lot of money in me. I've been hanging out with him forever. At these stockyards from Katie's. This is deep. I can't get this Stewart County Correctional Facility over here to help me because they want to make a mockery about everything and laugh at what I'm talking about because all the founders of Dover who knows the truth are now deceased. And everybody's taking advantage of it. I'm supposed to be sealed out in Secret Service for the president, and they've had me down here to hold this account open based on them two girls that got murdered in LBL in 1980. They've been renaming me every time I survive an accident. I don't need to be in here. I need to be pursuing getting this fixed. You need to have them to be questioned on it. They never would cross-examine it. Every time I allow,
I've muted him so that I've muted you so that I can try to find out about legal representation for you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm going to appoint your office because I think it's the only thing I can do. And we'll enter a plea of not guilty, show he's been arraigned, and let's go ahead and set a trial date.
September 13th.
September?
Yes, sir.
That's Judge Wallace or
Judge Locker.
Judge Locker. September what?
13th.
Last day to enter a plea will be September the 11th. Now, I have muted you to be able to conduct what I have to do in your case, which is to appoint you an attorney. I've appointed a public defender, but a lot of what you're saying doesn't apply to this criminal prosecution in this case. So you need to be aware that your lawyer is going to try to talk to you about the fact of your case and what you're looking at in the way of punishment, and what possible defenses you might have. Mr. Clemens is a very good lawyer. He's very conscientious. He will help you if you will let him. But I am also of the opinion if you need to file a motion for an evaluation that I would look upon that probably as appropriate. Right. So your lawyer will be able to talk to you, Mr. Welker, and we're going to let him get you started in trying to resolve all of these issues. I understand that may not be what you want, but I'm required to go ahead and give you counsel, and I've done so. So we'll move on to the next case. At the jail, Mr. Welker needs to step aside, and we'll bring up the next individual.
He's still yakking. He's yakking on a mile a minute, even though he's still muted. Wow, he's still yakking. I had to take a look. The judge is steady here because he's still yakking. Oh, how long can this hold up?
I'm not listening to anything you say, so it's not going to matter how much you continue to talk.
Yeah, I love this, Your Honor. He's still going, by the way. No, he's coming back. Yep, he came back.
You'll need to unmute.
There he goes, finally. Okay. So with that, we will bring the afternoon session to a close. Come on back tonight for more. We'll try to find some Sov Cit types of 1-1. Till then, thank you for watching from day one. Have a great afternoon, everybody.